Subscribe here for more educational videos. Ring bell to be first viewer of new uploads. Click thumb icon if you like this video to encourage us. ITOYS presents.
Dear kids, let's hear a fairy tale today, with the name, Beauty and the Beast. Once, there lived a merchant with his 3 daughters. One day, he was going to the city for business. The 2 elder daughters asked their father to bring lovely dresses, while Beauty, the youngest daughter, asked for a red rose. On his way back, the merchant crossed through a deep forest in which he was lost. At night, he took shelter in a huge, deserted castle. He found delicious food on the table and ate all of it. Then he went inside a room and slept soundly. The next morning he woke up and found a beautiful rose bush in the lawn. He remembered Beauty's wish and plucked a rose. Suddenly, a cruel beast came in front of him.
Is this the way you return my kindness?
The merchant got scared and told him about Beauty's gift. The beast allowed him to pluck the rose, but asked him to send Beauty to his castle as a punishment. The merchant agreed and ran home. As soon as he reached home, he told his daughters about the beast sadly. Beauty loved her father and so agreed to stay with the beast. The beast kept Beauty with care and kindness. Days passed in happiness. One day, the beast asked Beauty to marry him, but Beauty refused. Looking her sad, the beast gifted Beauty a magical mirror.
You can see your family in this mirror. For more information, visit our website.
Beauty saw her family every time, and she missed them. One day, Beauty saw that her father was ill. She asked the beast to let her visit home, and promised to come back. Beast agreed to send her for 7 days. Beauty reached home, and soon her father recovered. Beauty forgot about the 7 days stay, and started staying with her family. On the 9th day, she dreamt that the beast was dying. The next morning, Beauty went back to the castle.
Please don't die. I will live with you forever.
On hearing this, beast changed into a handsome prince. Then they got married and lived happily ever after.